All right.
You,
You've got
you've
to
got
be
to be
scared.
what?
You're looking at me like the wind has blown. Don't you know? Country road, take me home to the place I call home.
West Virginia's.
West
Good morning,
Virginia's
George.
country
Here
mama.
we go.
Just take me home.
Country rots.
The country road.
Welcome to Wednesday. When? This day? Today. Good
It's the
morning.
day that we come into the office looking at
No, no,
me
no,
and
no,
I
no, no, no,
swear
no,
that.
no. We got Trump speaking at 7:20 p.m.,
Can you
which
prove it?
means who cares?
Can you prove it?
Morning, vatos and vatettes. Morning. Good morning,
Odin.
Batariat Move. Good morning, Cash. Good morning, Colton. Good morning, Esger. Good morning, Hi. Good morning, Conyesis. Good morning, Yeti. Good morning, Toasty. Good morning, Scotty. Good morning, Kamara. Good morning, Jeff. Good morning, Tisas. Good morning, Salvi. Good morning,
My name
Cece.
is
Good morning,
Jet.
Camper. Good morning, George. Good morning, Roba. Good morning, HT. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Woody Buddy. Good morning, Patel. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Buffett. Good morning to all of our early, very responsible people who show up as soon as the stream starts. Very, very sexy. Very nice. I have my mom. Wait, should we tell them what happened? Or
No,
should
not
we
yet.
wait? Okay,
Wait till everyone's in here.
We'll wait. Wouldn't say responsible, but we're here. I understand. Don't worry. I get it. Now, how much do I like these levels? Not
Social
too
streaming
much.
strategies.
Not too much. These levels are okay. Not anything to go crazy about.
Literally the same range that we've been working with for the past 5 months, guys.
Now we do have London lows and Asia lows basically right next to each
Oh,
other.
my computer's lagging like insanely.
320 and 324. So I would not be surprised. Today is a shorting kind of day. All we need to do
Country
is break
road,
our stacked WAPs and AWR high
take me
at
home.
419, 420. Basically, if we wick out 420 and then test below 400, I'm expecting 320, which is like a 100-point move. Wow. Oh my God.
Wow, he's done it again. What is up,
I've done
everyone?
it.
Hope you guys are doing well. We are here live at the Prophub office. And guys, guess what? Today is day uno.
Official.
Day uno.
Official.
Day uno
Official.
of the official challenge.
Good morning, Kanye. How you
Let me
feeling?
put on my glasses, otherwise I won't be able to see y'all.
I'm doing
Looking at
a no
me, and
glasses day.
I really want to see y'all.
I'm doing a no glasses day, which means you're gonna see me like this the whole time.
Wow, that's kind of racist.
That is not racism. That is just factual.
Factual, bactual. You're looking at me,
Factual.
and you're looking like
Factual,
actuals.
bactual. An actual statement.
To everyone in premium, there was a small update. You guys probably got the notification of the indicator. If you guys go inside of the settings, you guys will be able to notice that you guys can now choose the session of what you guys want to pull it from. I do have a few more edits to do to it because I have noticed a few errors. I want you guys to be able to adjust the lines, how far out you guys want it, just like how you guys have it for the fibs. But nonetheless, it's decent.
None of the less.
Well, nonetheless,
Mm-mm-mm.
looking at me and all you want to
Okay.
do is fear it.
All right. I understand. Who's ready? Who's got their accounts? Who's got their funded lined up and ready for day one? I personally am rocking 3 top 150K funded accounting. But that's just me, personal. And if you guys don't and you want to grab some accounts, make sure to use code PHUB. Ha ha ha.
Codings.
There's the code. There's the plug.
Oh, I have to reset my trade of it. I don't want to do that right
I understand.
now. We're good.
I understand.
Camper, I know that you did DM me. I'll get to it after this stream. I've been busy.
If this 2-minute candle holds below 450, I'm expecting a 420 retest. Below that, I want to see a break of 400, and then below that, I want to see 350 to 320.
Country road.
Very, very nice.
Take
That is my technical
home
analysis. You can use it as
to the
Confluent.
day.
What do you think
I
of
belong
that technical analysis? Do you agree?
West Virginia, country mama,
Take me
take
home,
me home, country
country
road.
road. Good morning, Eric.
All right, guys. So
What do you think of my TA?
I'm gonna be honest. I was not listening because I was trying to adjust Tiki Tukis.
Okay.
But
Okay,
my
you give your TA
analysis.
then, and then they can decide if I was on point.
Well, we basically are about to have an equal day open from the past few days now. So we opened literally like a few points shy, 3 points shy. This Globex, which is equal to previous day Globex, essentially. And it's been respecting my levels really significantly. So we do have a POC, a weekly POC at 417, top of the range at 475. Then we obviously have 500, so only 25 points from there. And then the full CE all the way at 550 to 560. So crucial level that we were trading with on Monday session. Was not here yesterday, so I'm not going to speak on that. But if we were to crack underneath that POC and that day open, watch out for your New York Open AM high from previous day. And then from there, you obviously have your London low and your Asia low both sitting at 320, which is decent because you're talking about a 100-point range with the confirmation of 350 and that CE sitting at 350. So yeah, I'll just watch out. We have a VPOC, so a Virgin Point of Control, sitting at 24,286. And then your previous month low sitting at the bottom range of 240 to 215. Other than those, not really looking at much. If we can break to the upside, I want to see it slash through a lot of these VIs, so your volume imbalances. If it can't do that, then I think eventually we're going to be starting to see some shorts come in. Yo, I don't know if anyone has been updated with the war or what's going on. I don't even know if we're allowed to be talking about this on TikTok. I don't care. There's literally one viewer right now, so it's chill. But have you seen the new tech that I ran randomly? Is like it just popped up with, and everyone's like, "Whoa, what in the world? Where did this come from?" So essentially, what they have, right, is I don't want to screw it up. There's a certain name for it, but essentially, it goes up into the atmosphere, right? Like beyond the atmosphere, right? At Mach 16. So it's super freaking fast. When it re-enters into the atmosphere, enters in at Mach 8. So any like defense missiles to try to like
They're too slow?
Yeah, and to try to intercept it, literally it's too slow and it's literally coming up super fast, coming down insanely fast. And it's like, bro, where in the world did they get these? Because how are they pulling it out now?
That's actually wild.
These guys just got the Jericho missile. Yeah, for real.
Actually wild. Yo, we're doing 2 giveaways today, by the way.
It's in why 2?
We're doing a
How
regular.
about if I tell you we only have like 3 accounts left?
We have the regular giveaway that we said we were gonna do today.
Yeah.
And then we're doing a giveaway in premium also.
Oh yeah. You know what? We haven't done one in premium in a while.
Yeah, I called one out yesterday for the comments on the post, right?
I like it. Let's do it.
Double check.
Also, we are looking for some support, so people to help us out and whatnot, and also be able to go on TikTok and literally spam the like button and just stay inside of there and make sure that everyone is Gucci inside of TikTok, because I can't be managing everything all at once. So if you guys, even John and Rams, if you guys can literally just stay inside of the TikTok and you guys don't even have to do anything, just literally stay in. I'm going to do that right now. Oh, I see myself.
Wow, looks like this giveaway is going to be very high chances for everybody because there's only like 10 people who commented.
Ace, I can help. You're a beauty, Mike. Perfect.
Not even.
Mike, we can talk after stream because you're actually someone I actually trust. Not only that, this week, guys, don't think we forgot. Don't think we're trying to scam you guys. We will be doing the
Oh, I know what you're gonna say.
The charity. Yeah, we're gonna be going over to the charity to make sure that all the monies that you guys did send gets pushed over. And then we're going to be doing a new one that is a little bit closer to home, if I could say. But yeah.
Do you want to announce that after we
do we actually donate? Otherwise, people are going to be like, bruh,
Yeah.
How can I trust you if
I wanna
you
do it.
can trust
Can-
yourself?
Can you even do it in person?
Yeah, you can do it in person.
That's dope.
Yeah, so we're
That's dope.
definitely gonna do that. We have to schedule a day. I say, let me see what days. My schedule is
What's the
insane.
TikTok Prophub? Prophub
Prophub
trading.
trading.
Prophub.
Or is it still under Ace of
trading.
Trades?
No, it's Prophub trading.
I think it's both. Because
Oh.
remember, yours is Prophub backup, and it didn't let me switch the name. Check.
Oh yeah, it is Ace of Trades.
Yeah, so it's Ace of Trades with 3 S's, and you guys will see it. Like it also says on the name Prophub trading.
There, look, Ace of Trades
What was I gonna do?
with 3 S's.
What was I gonna do?
Oh, look at that. Very nice. What were you gonna do?
It does. Yeah. I know what's funny. Everyone that was live yesterday on TikTok, I took a screenshot just so we can compare ours with theirs. So like I have J-Duns, I have that random guy that I showed you last time. I have more random people, some Asian kid. But yeah. Oh man, do we have a story for you guys?
We actually do have a really good story.
If we got a story for you guys, we don't want to say it until like we are officially live. That way we can fully announce the fact that
I'm trying to
that we are doing the challenge. The most quoted TikTok live that nobody knows about. This is the secret chat. Is it secret if I just said it out loud?
I don't think you were supposed to read that.
I'm trying to mute TikTok. Literally what I did is I just put the volume all the way down and then I put it upside down on my desk while it's charging.
It's plugged in.
Yeah. We're literally all doing it in office. Just sent 112 likes. We appreciate you. I think literally the next goal, because Jill spammed the first goal of our last live. The next goal is like 30,000 likes
on the TikTok.
You know which it's easy to do, but like,
do you know what I wanted to do? I want to make a goal for amount of people in the Discord audience live. Like I want to set a goal and then we do something for everyone when we hit that goal. Like think about it like this. We on average at our peak, like at our peak, there'll be like almost 100 people in, like 90 something, right? Let's set a goal for 200 people in the audience live. And then if we hit that, we do something crazy like for everybody.
Like 200 giveaways.
Like something ridiculous. But you know, they could finesse
Everyone gets an account.
Like, if there's 90 people in here,
and
every single person tells one other person, like their boy,
if I were to screenshot chat every single day, and whoever's here the most, once we hit that goal, can get an account. Like out of like the top 10. So top 10 gets 10 accounts spread between them. Yeah. I sent like 200. Let's go, not available.
But my whole thing is like right now there's 70 people in here. If every single person tells one friend like, yo, do you want to start trading? Or one person that they know that's trading or like their cousin or some shit. And they're like, yo, join Prophub. We can have like 140.
It's very true. Here, I'll show you guys the goals.
Let's make the goal 150 people in the audience. And then we'll think of something to do for everybody.
Here's like the TikTok goals.
And if you have any suggestions, that'd be dope.
You act like I have friends, Lo said. Very true. We don't either. That's why we chill with you guys all day long. That is our open candle, guys. So we are starting the challenge today. So let's have some fun.
What are those goals? What does that do if you hit them?
It basically like pushes your live out more.
Oh, that's sick. All right, we need 30,000 likes.
Someone just said that they did like 200 in like 2 seconds. JJ, follow me back on TikTok.
All right, fine.
You know what? We can actually do that.
Yeah.
TikTok can be our one where it's like we'll just follow everyone back.
Send funny videos to each other. We should make a group. Who are you?
Who are you? What is your name? Oh yeah, and we can't be like absolutely absurd today. We do have someone else in another office next to us, so we are gonna be a little bit more chill today.
Not screaming.
Yeah, not screaming like we usually do. Does it count that I got Drew? Pasta said. No, Drew does not count because that is my homie.
Nice little open candle. Oh, they gotta close above that 450. If we hold above that 450, longs actually wouldn't be bad. Like 500. So you know what? I'm gonna enter a light position. Light position with that long. I'm in.
Hey, we got a new follower on TikTok. W to whoever just followed.
I'm gonna SL at like 420. Blaze it.
What do you win?
I'm in a long.
I understand.
But I'm
I
super,
need to
super low.
crack 475 and hold, but from there, it's only
Yeah.
25 points for me. I'm going to stay chill. You do have that gap fill.
I'm in light. I'm literally in with 1 micro as like a pre-entry.
Mm-hmm.
And then if we get that 75 break, I'll probably scale in.
I completely understand.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. John's in trouble. We got Lazaro Lifestyle. What
What?
is up, Lazaro Lifestyle? You absolute beauty. Let me follow you back.
Why am I not copy trading?
And I'm going to make you a mod as well.
Wait, why am I only copy traded on 2? I'm so confused.
Manage guests, star comments. There you go. Chris, now every time you message, it's going to show that you're a mod as well. And then I did see Mike.
30, 28.
Let me do it for Rams as well. Rams, add moderator. Yep. Access live recordings. And then same with myself.
What? Oh, I didn't click it. I didn't click it.
And same for JJ.
Bro, my trade fate's bugged.
Is it glitched?
Yeah, it's only copy trading 2 out of the 3.
Uh-oh.
So I'm not in right now because I'm just trying to fix this. Uh-huh.
Thank you for everyone who is following.
Shit, my
Here
entry's
on
changed.
TikTok, we appreciate you guys. We got 5 new followers.
show
We
anything.
got 11 people watching. And we do have our market open here. John is trying to fix some stuff with his copy trader on his end. Thank you, Pardeep, for the follow. I appreciate you. I'm in a long Ace, my name. Can you type something, Mike? That way I can find you, because there's a lot of people coming in and out now that the market has opened.
Wait,
TikTok is on Ace of Trades. Yes. Nick CC.
It's this one. I already did delete the group. Hold on. Why is it getting rejected?
Code PHUB. Let's go, Mike. Okay, Mike. I followed you, and you've requested to follow this private account. Add moderator.
What does that mean?
Okay, you can now manage guests, pin, block accounts, mute accounts, comments, all that kind of stuff. Star comments.
Oh,
there you go.
It might be.
Oh, you figured it out?
My daily loss limit was set to 0 for some reason.
Oh, you always do that. Anyways, you would have been green. It came down like.
Well, it's because I had to lose money. Oh,
it came down like,
man,
what 40 points? But it's green now if you're still holding.
SL 420. So we never hit it.
No, it did not hit.
Bro, that's so annoying. I'd be printing right now.
He's just chilling and JJ's panicking.
Like, it wasn't copy trading, and that would have been nice green. What was my other account? This one.
Welcome in, everyone. We are currently at 3.4K likes. We appreciate you guys. We need to be 10K that.
Beautiful. You guys are so
10X that.
All right, there we go. Fixed it. I'm not in anything right now because of the trade evade issues of me not being copy traded. So I'm just chilling. I'm literally BE. As I was testing.
Testing
I got red
under,
and then I got out.
that's 75 now. So from here, it does have room to 50, which is your peak weekly POC. Went down to 57 and got sucked up. So kind of interested to see where price goes beyond here. If it can hold above that 75, I think that she does have good room all the way up. There's 88. Oh, there's 500. Yeah, if we can stay above 500, that is my entry criteria for the long for at least 50 points. But that is filling in a lot of that imbalance that she created at 815.
All right, who took my long? Who took it? Who's printing?
Boom, not available said.
You did? Good shit. I wish I was copy traded properly because I'd also be in it. But now I'm up $1.30 because I was panicking.
W.
I took your long so hard type shit.
So hard. Wait, why you gotta say it like that?
There's that 500 I said. Very, very simple, very nice. Okay. Who took my long?
Yeah, I like it off that 500. If we can stay here, that'd be beauty. I don't like the fact that it's past me. Sorry, Rams. I'm gonna have to switch over to MNQ for now.
I was gonna say something. Oh, yo, you know Jason is Jacob?
Which Jason?
in chat.
I don't see Jason. Where's Jason? Oh, Jason. Ha! He's my Jason.
Something back there, JJ? Huh.
I'm going to add him as a friend.
Very nice.
Okay, it's coming back to that 500, which is what I wanted. Gonna get a little entry position here. Going in with 10 micros, putting my stop at 65. And I'm gonna hold that. So entry is 506.75 for the long. 506.75.
Yep. I'm in it.
So in with
I like
10
it.
micros. And I'm going to be watching for 550. Like I keep telling you guys, 550 to 555. So putting a limit in at 48.75, 47.
I entered half position. I'm trying to scale in, maybe get a little bit of a pullback.
Yep, that came literally to my entry at 504. Popped again, still holding. Let me put the R to R on screen for you guys. Basta is busting.
Is Buster?
That's what someone said on TikTok. Basta is busting.
Basta is busting.
So 60.
Very, very nice. Basta is busting.
Needed to hold this 500, guys. That was a nice suck. You heard me.
That was a nice
and
what?
back into the green right now. Still holding, chilling right now. That did go up, what, 20 points? I want to see it go all the way up to 48-ish. Basically that 50, which is a 1-to-1 for now.
Yes, sir. I was going to say something, then I forgot.
Looks like I might get tapped out here, guys, at 65. I would not drop that stop lower than, if you're staying tight, or as tight as I am, wouldn't go lower than like 59. And then if you want to stay a lot looser, then it would have to be underneath 50.
What's your average price?
My average price? 506.75.
Huh, mine is 500.
Very nice.
0.44.
Yeah, I didn't get no add-ins, no nothing.
This could get potentials. Pour a tap out.
Does definitely have potential for the tap out. That was a good retest of that 480, 475 range that we have. But it needs to hold the 500. Like I said, it was doing a good job of that shorter time frame, but we need that to hold. So we'll see.
We can go faster.
Testing 500 again.
There we go.
There's the break. Nice. Now it just needs to hold here. So currently up 9 points. And we could move our stop up now to like right underneath that first block.
Like 74?
Yeah, basically 74.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to see back down.
Yeah. If it comes back down, then she's probably going to flush underneath that initial stop. So moving my stop up to 74.
We. Guess who's... Yeah, we were blasting music earlier before stream.
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty vibey.
I miss it, to be honest.
Honestly, I think if we make a new high here, we should get a nice push.
I got to agree with you. There's 520 once again, guys. So depending on where you entered, obviously, you should be green. There's no point where I called it out at the top there, so.
Guess who's back?
I'd love to see top of range. I gotta go to the washroom,
but I can't walk away right now.
Oh,
this is a dilemma.
We also have these equal highs to watch out for, guys. The London high goes to 535. So if you guys are trying to be a little bit conservative, then obviously you guys have a target right there to watch out for. Once it does touch 530, you guys will see me move my stop really aggressively. Especially, you guys have to remember, for this challenge, I'm doing it on TPT, meaning I have trailing drawdown. So
Mhm.
the fact that I'm currently up $200, if this goes into the red, touches that SL, it's that SL plus that $200.
Yeah. That's the trade-off. You have a no consistency, but you have a trailing drawdown. Here's the retest of the 500.
Yep.
Nah, I'd love to see a hold, because if we don't, then this shit just looks barcodey. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
I really do like that 462 stop, but I don't want to see this even come down anyway. So, again, like I always say, nothing stops you guys from re-entering. If it does get tapped out, looks like it might get tapped out here. Again, I brought it up all the way to 74 on the stop.
I've mine at 70, I can't lie.
Yeah.
A few extra points.
I completely that's literally the top of my range at 74. So if it comes for a retest of that range, I'm out.
Mhm.
If I do move it, obviously, I'll tell you guys, but I wouldn't move it past basically an extra 10-ish points, which would be another $200.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, skis.
Created a monster.
Yep, just got tapped.
Oh, I just got tapped too. I understand.
So from plus 20 to losing basically 30.
Oh, bro. What a L.
Okay, so starting off negative $515.
You know how it go, baby.
That's literally how it goes. Hey, wait. This is good. All the OGs of challenges knows.
I was just, yeah.
All the OGs of the challenges knows. Who knows here?
Who knows? Someone say it. We're not even going to say it.
Yeah, I'm not
Yeah.
even going to say it, but who knows? And the original stop would have got, yeah, exactly, the first day curse. But it's not even first day curse.
Yeah,
it's
first
first trade curse. That's what we started to realize.
Every single time you've lost the first trade, you finish the
I've
challenge.
succeeded the
Yeah.
challenge.
You know what's funny? Every single time you've taken green on the first trade,
Someone just said, bro,
It's
since
like
I'm done, I'm going to send so many likes on TikTok. I wish I could like show you guys my camera right now. It's literally John spamming the likes
spamming likes.
right now.
Wait,
We're
no,
at
it's not-
7.6.
not available. Did you finish the day off that first long that I said?
Guys, you know what I wouldn't mind either
Nice.
right
good
here?
shit. Love to see that.
What wouldn't be bad, like if I was on another account, taking that long off of that POC and then sniping the stop to right under today's low of day. So you're risking 25 still, but honestly, a good setup off of the POC and then risk a 1-to-1 up to that like 74, 75 again.
Sent 573. Damn, you're at 9.6.
Yeah, I know.
Grinding. Type
On mine, it's actually delayed. So mine says 8.6 on mine. Yeah.
because it updated.
11
using my-
viewers plus 6 followers. We appreciate you guys for stepping in. Make sure, guys, we're going to be posting different kind of content on TikTok because it's not favorable for us to post the same content that we do on our other socials. So it's going to be a lot more personable on the TikTok. And yeah, there's still going to be skits and all of that, but that's just what we're known for, is the skits, baby. Spamming likes too. W Buffett. Love you.
Ba-na-na-na. I think
Did
this 450
your
is one of
girl
those
go
go to work already, Buffett?
Low-risk longs.
Oh, actually, no, it doesn't matter because I have to drop off Rams to go get his key. So I have to pick you up anyway, or I will pick you up. We're going to have Buffett in office today, guys.
Kind of tough.
Kind of toughings. Retested that 50 again.
Mm-hmm. I hopped in a quick low-risk long. I saw literally at that
Right?
low.
That's literally what I'm saying. I like it.
It's one of those trades where like you basically lose nothing, but have high potential. If I get tapped, I get tapped. It is what it is. Doesn't add too much extra risk. It's me on that bullshit.
Now that it tested that 40,
I'm at 40 tapped. I lost $60 extra. Oh no, bro, 400 likes. You gonna pop this shit off? That's on type shit.
any reclaims of that 50, you'll see me get in now, guys. Now that it's testing our open print. Ugh. I just got smacked by my mic.
You just kiss it?
Full transparency, guys. We did remove Kumo from our VIP section. He was releasing some sponsored tickers and all that kind of stuff.
We don't fuck with that.
Yeah, we don't associate with that. Like, we don't know what's going on with the ins and outs of that whole thing. So we don't want to be affiliated with anyone who's doing that. So we had to cut him loose, and obviously we don't want to take value away from you guys, but we also don't want you guys to get scammed or anything like that. So we'd rather protect you guys than you guys feel like you guys are losing value.
Mm-hmm.
So testing 50 from the downside now off that POC. If we sweep under the day open at 420, I'll enter into a short. If we can hold 450 to 460, I'm going to enter back in long. Anything in between, not looking at anything, going to stay patient and wait it out. We are currently at 11K likes, guys. We're a third of the way to that goal.
Beauty.
We appreciate you guys so much. We also have to reach 55 comments. So if people can also comment, that would be a beauty.
Shit.
Complete 2 decks in Trivia Zone. I have no clue what that is, so I'm not going to be doing that.
Scammer, no scamming.
Can someone do a test of the audio on the live? Make sure it's good. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Commenter. More. Let's go. Let me follow Moosis back. And Moose, you are now a mod as well. Confirm. Moosing Moosers.
Damn,
It's good. Just a second delayed. Okay, that's fine. I don't care if it's delayed as long as it's decent. I can hear. Is it clean though? Like, is it crisp? And also, John, speak.
Yo.
Keep speaking.
Yo. What's up, everybody? Haha, my name is JJ. What's good? Yo,
is that like way too far for hearing John? Like, I know John sounds distant. Yeah. Because when we pull in the audio from Discord, it's going to pick him up in person because we're not using a filter on TikTok like how we do on Discord. And there's that day open. That's why I didn't want to take the long just yet. Staying a lot more patient, especially after taking an initial L from 506 all the way down to 74. So right around that 30 points mark. And that is now underneath our day open. So I would actually watch out here for shorts, guys. We have our orb established, testing underneath it. And you guys can see the indicator has now rendered for our New York Open session. I'm going to move this line down.
I'm in the short. 25. I'm printing.
Yeah, I was going to say, I like the short. Smack it. As long as it can stay under 400, I'll be happy. Putting my stop at 30 right now, guys. So I'm in at 397.
Wow.
NQ short 397.
Wow.
That's 20 points, and that's your 0.5 on the indicator, and also an equal low from your pre-market. So I'd watch out here, guys. Still gonna stay in, but
wait, not available. Was I squinting?
Yeah, where's your glasses, bro? Why are you doing this?
I said no glass, dude. I was in that short at 37.
Very nice.
That was kind of printer. I'm out already.
Just made back like 78. That's horrible, Rams. So 78? That did go 24 points again. So like the first trade literally went like 24 points. This trade went 24 points. Trying to really hold through. I want to see basically 60 get tapped here. And I know that was 14 points shy. But we'll see. So I'm going to put in a limit order at that 59-ish area, 60. And you do have 64, which is your 618. So if you guys just want to tap that, that's fine too. We were just shy of that. If we break through that VWAP, then you guys will see me add in at underneath 345. So
where's your VWAP?
I'm on the 2-minute right now, so that's 354.71.
Oh yeah, same. This 386 is actually the top of one of my bases.
Yeah, I would, again, be careful here, guys, with this being your equal lows from that pre-market. It needs to sweep underneath that 73. There it goes. And be careful of that 618 at 64, basically 65. And I might take myself out here.
Very nice, very nice.
Trying to manage out SL. Limit at 362. Move up. Oh, wait, what is that? 50,
Dango, you guys are super fast.
57.
That wasn't even that fast.
57.
Okay, I'm
willing
done. Banger
to move
day.
it
W
up.
Kells. Who took that short? That was like multiple entries on the way down with like no drawdown. And we swept that pre-market low. Very nice.
As long as we can hold here, I wouldn't even mind adding in, to be honest.
Hold below that 400.
Yeah.
Baguettes in the
Okay,
WAG up
smacking it.
388.
I smack that add in, guys.
W Kells up 1736. So sexy. I want to wait and see if we're going to get a close below this 86 for me. Jimmy Neutron.
Nice add in, guys. I'm going to literally take that first initial 10 at that 367. So literally equal lows.
I like that close. I really do.
And that just got filled.
We can go faster. Let's see if we're going to get that test of that anchored WAP.
Nice with that 618, guys. And then I'm okay moving my stop now to in profit, essentially.
I understand. We can go past. I'm looking expecting to get still a nice push down. I don't know how much you would want to have a pullback if it does.
Yeah, that touched that 65. Like I said, 64 to 76 is going to be a little bit more on the dangerous side. I have that 5 still available. And you know what? I'm actually going to trim myself out here. And that should be filled. And I only have 5 cons left. And again, with me being on TPT, I do have to be careful here with having intraday drawdown. So keeping that at 85.
I understand. So you're tapped out there?
And that should tap me out. Yep, beauty. That's fine with me.
Very, very nice. Wait, JJ, I'm going to follow from my other account on TikTok too. I understand.
Nice short, guys. I think it could keep playing out as long as it can break that 350. But in terms of our levels, like all the premium members should have it now. With it floating inside of that golden zone, with that being an equal low from pre-market, I'd rather play the cautious game, especially being on intraday drawdown. So currently up from down 500, up 442, and we're just managing out now. With the drawdown, so I was positive 200 from this point, so around $600 total P&L. So I am dealing with $4,309 of drawdown. So as you guys can see, the intraday drawdown is a battle in itself. Anyone who's ever used TPT or Apex understands the battles of intraday. It is a whole other beast. And this is why I wanted to challenge myself and do it with TPT, because for me personally, it's not really a challenge just showing you guys going from like an eval or straight to funded to that payout. It just means being consistent and literally trading the way that I trade. Showing the intraday and showing how to manage that really goes into the nitty gritty of risk management, money management, and actually trusting your analysis, showing when to add in, so on and so forth. Intraday is, Nick Cece literally just said intraday is wild. It's a whole other beast for sure.
Because we can go past.
Literally, that's what your brother's saying on TikTok. He said,
Really?
we can go louder, or we should go faster.
Very, very nice.
So that was nice, guys. That literally is touching 400 right now, close to my entry, and I think that was executed as well as it could possibly be, especially with an add-in as well.
Mm.
They sold right at 400 again. Beauty, no, for real, Kels. The levels are leveling. Like, we're just chilling now.
We're at a pretty strong level, but getting some sucky downs. We're gonna get a pop. Who gonna win? The bull or the bears? Because sometimes we can go pasta if you really know what I mean. Also, sometimes when we die. You know, I listened to the original with pasta, and Manny Pacquiao's version is better.
I gotta agree with you.
Like his cover is actually better.
What did I want to say? There was something I wanted to say. Oh, we can at least story time now because we're outside of this trade and she's kind of just basing sideways here now. So, first story. On Monday after stream, I was with Jill. We ended up going to the movie theater. To anyone who's new here or doesn't know Jill or is on TikTok, Jill is my fiance. She's also very, very, very much pregnant. She literally has like 2 or 3 months left of being pregnant before we have our baby. And ooh, that was sexy.
That sucked down?
Yeah, that was actually kind of sexy.
With that 400?
Yeah, but the fact that it's still holding 390, not really a big fan of.
I understand.
Anyways, so Jill's very pregnant. Ooh, there it goes. If it sweeps under that weekly VWAP, I am getting back in. But real confirmation is underneath 345.
Mm-hmm.
The only thing is, look, John, at your London and your Asia low.
It's like 320.
Exactly. So we only really have, once I get my confirmation, like 30 points, 20, 30 points.
I understand.
There's your 618 getting tapped again. If it sucks up from here, guys, the indicator is just a beast. Look at it on a 5-minute. Literally on a 5-minute, tapped it, and then open up the new candle.
We can go.
It is completely free. I mean, obviously not free, but it is a part of premium. So an added bonus to premium. Why do I still have that order open and no one told me? All the way up at 430. And there it is at our weekly VWAP right there and sucking back into our golden zone. Golden pocket, really. The indicator isn't working for me. Got an email about an update this morning. So whenever there's updates, guys, you legit have to remove it off of your
there's
your trading view. And then once you remove it from your trading view, you also have to reset your whole trading view and then add it back on. Trading view is kind of whack like that. So yeah, so there's your equal lows to your London and your Asia. This is what I'd watch out for here. So that just touched 327. Your London lows at 23. Your Asia lows at 320. And again, that's part of the indicator too. And let's see if we can get a full extension.
Was down minus 1300, now up 101. I'm out. Good recovery next CC.
And there it is above our weekly anchored, guys.
Yeah, that was great.
Yep. Nice test there.
Got it. Thanks. Very nice.
I don't mean to be a bottom ticker, but man, I would not mind taking the long.
Reclaim of that anchored?
Yeah.
It's not bad. The only thing
I'm going to light position it, guys. Literally 5 micros. I'm in at 72. Long at 72. My SL is literally at the very, very lows. And it is because I'm in a very light position. I'm trying to get all the information out to you guys at the same time. Literally trying to type the alerts as well. If you're looking for a very, very tight PT, then it's going to be 93 to that 400. Any reclaims of that 400, I'm actually going to add in. But if you guys wanted to get out, then that would be the levels that you would be seeking for 93 to 410. I'll give you guys a larger range.
Hmm. Guys, if you're gonna buy any accounts, remember to use code PHUB to get the best discounts possible, up to 50%. And for some, up to 80 and 90. Wow.
I wouldn't even mind putting the SL underneath that wick now. So reducing risk significantly and putting it in at like 40.
Oh. Very nice.
So that's what I'm going to do.
Yeah, that wick is actually nasty.
And that literally touched that first PT, like I was saying, from 90 to 410. So a 10-point range. That would have given you plus 20 there.
I'd
Still
love to see a
holding,
reclaim of
chilling,
400.
waiting it out. I'd love to, exactly like what John said, love to see the reclaim at 410. Again, I am dealing with intraday, so I might have to move quicker once it does touch that 390 again.
I'd at least want to see this candle close
At the
above
touch
like 86 at
395.
least.
Is that at 395? 23 points. Not too shabby.
Bilateral ear infection. Does that mean both ears?
That sucks. I'm sorry. Whoever said that. Who said that? Toasty?
Toasty.
Oh, I'm sorry, Toasty.
She said back in time. Sometimes when we touch.
There is at that
Oh, yeah.
400, moving my stop all the way up, guys, to 393. And if I get stopped, I get stopped. It's
You get
fine.
hit.
But that is at that 400 level that I like to see. You know what? 92.
If you get hit, you get hit.
Bang.
Oh, yeah.
I want to see our date open so I can trim out, guys, 3 contracts at those highs, basically literally right where it was. I'm going to limit it and then make sure to adjust my stop. That does. Let's see if I get filled up. But 3 cons out at that 315. Really? 25.
Mhm.
And I might get tapped
Limit the
at
attack.
92. Let's
Yeah.
see.
Ooh, it edged it. It edged it. It's trying to trick me. Now it's going to pump. Go. Boom.
It literally might tap us out and then go for it.
For real,
Like
for real.
an SLS. All right, got tapped. Good trade
good.
regardless,
W trade.
guys. Another W on the board.
Very easy, very simple.
And not too shabby. Currently up $635 on the first day, guys.
Type shit.
Typing while shitting,
Ah.
being a lot more selective, as you guys can tell, with the trades, especially with it being intraday. I know I said that already, but it really is its own battle. And anyone who's ever traded intraday will know how much of an ass it is to trade intraday.
For real.
Also, guys, please don't stop spamming the likes on TikTok. We are more than halfway there, and it seems like it cooled down significantly. Not a single person liking it. Please continue to smash it. It is above 400 again, which I don't mind. But now that I've already exited the trade, I wait for the next confirmations, and that would basically be 430. But from 430, you only have 20 points of room to your weekly POCs. So if you did want to get in, it would still be at that 400, and there it is. Our PT would have been touched.
Beauty.
Just had to take us out first.
Look at that Pumperson.
Where did that candle even go? 86. Yeah, I would have been out. I would have moved it at the most to 89. Nice. So you're still in that?
Good
Rams is
shit.
still in. He's dealing with end of day drawdown, so he can be a lot more looser. I can't.
Now, if you're following the challenge, not financial advice, and you're red, and Ace is green, then you definitely made some mistakes because he's on intraday.
Yeah, I literally, guys, my challenge is like,
It's like
10
harder.
times harder,
Yeah.
more than 10 times harder than you guys.
Which, if you don't know what intraday is, basically anytime he goes up green, his SL trails. So let's say, or his MLO
Even if it's
trails,
unrealized.
like his drawdown.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's say the drawdown is 2,000 and he goes up 2,000. That means if he goes back to break even, the account is gone.
Yep.
So intraday is a lot harder, but I will respond.
Sometimes when I'm touching.
So far,
Ooh,
pretty
we
dub,
we
pretty
met
dub.
some goals here on
Did we?
on TikTok. So the next goal was to reach
Keep
13
spam like
1,634 followers, which apparently we did with our +7. So that's cool.
dope.
Guys, that touched our day open, which would have been my goal, and got smacked back down underneath 400. The PTs are definitely PTing today. And then we also reached 160 minutes of views.
Wait, is that combined?
Yeah.
Nice.
So it's not that much. We must go live for 2 days, which we reached. Get 200 minimum of views, which we got that as well. The next one that we have to reach is that 29.9K, which we're almost at. We're at basically 20 right now. And then reach 55 comments. So keep commenting, guys. I must go live for 140 minutes. I'm currently at 112. So
It's
literally,
Ace of Trades on TikTok.
the ace of
with three
trades.
S's.
And we would greatly appreciate if you guys help. We're trying to grow on all socials, guys. It's been an absolute grind.
Look at
A
that.
lot of you guys have been with us literally since
Since the test stream
since our test stream.
in like
When
since
we
the
were
end of
having
November.
a lot of errors and mistakes, and you guys have kicked it with us. It's been an absolute blessing to be able to say, like, hey guys, you know what? We've made it through more than 4 months now of being free for you guys and coming from a paid server, being behind a paywall, to now being able to say, like, we are offering everything that we do for free, minus what premium gets, obviously. But in terms of like our live daily streams that everyone used to pay for, which was the main selling point. Everyone just cared to see me live, and now you can go on every single platform and watch us, which is an absolute blessing.
Very, very nice.
All we ask of you guys is, if you guys are to purchase any props, just continue to make sure to use code PHUB. It is literally the only thing, essentially, that keeps us running, obviously, other than our personal payouts. But if you guys want us to continue to help you guys out and seek value in the community, then that would be the only means, really, is just continuing to use code PHEB on all props.
Very nice. We help you guys get profits and you help us grow. And then together we grow more. Bro, like, you know how much I'd wish to be, like, have like 5x the people in here and then be able to do like
Someone
10
just
giveaways
said
every single day?
it's fine. I think if you lower the gain a little bit, it'll be good. Sounds good on my end. Yeah, you just can't really hear John, unfortunately, unless he does something like that. Oh yeah, we got to be careful because freaking I always forget that Victor's here.
The lawyers. Wait, did you see what Shazia said? Prophub is the best version of Ace that I've seen in the last 3 years. You are awesome. Would you
I
agree with
appreciate you,
that?
Shazia.
Like in terms of live, like streaming.
In
your
terms of
trades?
live streaming, to be honest, this is probably the best it has ever been and will ever be. Because in the past, I used to trade options. I was very against showing my P&L. It's very different when it comes to futures, because futures, you guys can replicate, right? Like, and we're not telling you guys it's NFA, but it's very easy to see how transparent it could be when it comes to futures. With options, right? If I'm entering in, and I always gave this example, if I'm entering with $20,000, right? And that to me is maybe, let's just use an example, 5% of account. But to you, that's your whole account. You're going to be like, holy, Ace has a lot of confidence inside of this trade because he just entered in with $20,000. Next thing you know, I take the loss, but you full ported.
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense. So that's why for options, I never, ever showed how much I was up, or I would only show how much I was up after the fact, but I would never show it live. Whereas for futures, I will fully show full transparency. The account that I'm on, you guys can see, we're on a Take Profit Pro. There's two other evals.
The same if you have the same account size.
Exactly.
You know,
and everyone knows I'm on a 150K right now, currently up $635. I told you guys my drawdown is currently at 4,281. Like, whatever you guys want to know, whatever you guys want to see, just let me know, and and we'll try to be as transparent as possible. Like I show you guys my lifetime payouts. I show you guys even on Top Step how I was on the leaderboard and it was up 260K. I've showed you guys my TOF lifetime payout, which is 42,000 since July. So whatever you guys want, literally just let us know, and we're trying to be as transparent as possible. Unlike these other furus out here trying to just shell courses and all that kind of stuff.
Much, like, it's so wild to me how many people believe them, and then it's so stupid because it's the same rotation. Is like people find those furus. I will not name names. And then they stay for a couple months because they're like, oh my god, these guys are so legit. And then they realize, oh, this is all cap and I wasted so much money. Amazing. And then they just get new people. And it's like full rotation over and over. Name names? I will not. Oh, look at that long.
I don't mean to flex, but that was definitely a bottom tick there at that 350.
Yeah. Bro, that retest of the
literally reclaimed off of our weekly anchored and just popped up. I wish I was on an end of day drawdown because I would still be in, but it is what it is.
It is what it is, man. It's day one, baby.
Rams, you said the audio was fine when you went out. It's decent.
That's a premium.
Do I have to adjust gain or anything? That's not horrible. It's echoey. Yeah.
Wait, why does it?
I
still really like shorts.
It might actually be pulling from the webcam. Do you want to double check? I actually have zero clue.
This suck down is actually not bad though. We literally tapped previous week value area low. Like if we get a retest and hold of this weekly POC, then I'd expect higher. Loki could go back to like 480 if we do that.
Will it be able to?
Sometimes when we touch. All right, yo.
Beauty.
For the challenge. Who's
all right,
green?
I should sound significantly better on. Oh, that's
that sounds a million times better.
John, speak.
Yo. What's up?
Perfect. Yeah. The audio is so much better on TikTok now, guys.
Wow.
Thank you guys for telling us.
30K.
Yeah.
Likes. Wait, what's the other goals? Did we hit everything?
Comments. We need to reach 55 comments.
What are we at?
We are currently at 30 something.
Amazing.
Yep. There's the long, guys. There's 450. Needs to be positioned above 475 for that long to take place again, which was our initial long, which was a loss. It was green right around 30-ish, less than 30 points, 25. But man, that would have been 100 points from our initial entry. Beautiful.
For real. I literally was just talking about long.
Crazy V-shaped recovery. Yeah, for real.
Sometimes when
I was just saying that in my head. And I'm like, I'm going to try to stop.
Yeah, we need a new song. Not Available wants me to listen to like some baguette song. I think some French.
Someone said, oh, Rams answered them on stream. Everyone on YouTube, hope you guys are doing well. If you guys want to join the community, it is 100% for free. Discord.gg/Prophub. It is also pinned for you guys, I believe. So you guys have zero issues trying to find us. Literally just go inside of your browser, type discord.gg/Prophub, and you guys will find us.
Very, very nice.
I don't know if I'm even allowed to say that on TikTok.
When I was backtesting, it was so rare to see New York move consistently 200 points. Now it happens every day. Welcome to the new market. If we get a hold above this 450.
When me and Rams first started together, this would actually be tiny moves. So me and Rams started together like a year and a half ago, where he's been my videographer since January of last year, essentially. And our average move at that time, do you remember, Rams? The ADR was literally like 120. It would be like 50 to 120, and that was norm. Like that was literally the normal.
January, February, March, and April, May.
And then that's when we caught the 1,000 point in like 5 minutes on his very first stream with me, and he's just like, "Oh, so this is the potentials."
The potentials.
And then we never saw the end of day from there.
But did you know about the potential?
It shows like it's lagged on my end because on my end, it shows that the likes have stopped and it's only at 27.4. So if you guys can just spam it just a tiny bit more, I would appreciate it because it seems to be lagging right now.
Bro, I can't tell if my trading view is like lagging behind Tradeovate or if it's just slower.
Someone said, show me a check for 70K and I'll quit my job right now.
Huh.
Did I?
This guy is Wolf of Wall Street.
I could literally show you one for 600K. Like no flex or anything. I can literally show you guys one for
No flex, but he is ace of trades.
no flex zone. You know what I could even show you? Trader Joe's, I can show you, you guys, like I paid my lease in full. Like,
That's a flex.
that was a crazy flex. That one
That's a flex.
I liked that one the most. Oh, I completely believe you.
That's actually a flex. The way I feel right now.
Only
feeling like I need to
600K?
be
Those are
on.
rookie numbers. Sorry.
And that's real. Stop teasing me.
Clean exit ace.
Are we gonna
Thanks.
get a bounce push off this 450? Stop teasing me. AG said only 600K. For real.
Rookie numbers.
Get your money.
Get your money up, not your funny up.
Can you make that noise? Oh, it didn't pick up. Okay, now your mic just doesn't want to work.
Okay, cool. Yeah, it
Do
says
you use order flow?
34.5.
Order flow with our eyes.
We're almost there, guys. On web, it's showing that we're only at 29K. We need 29.9. It's showing 21.1 now. So you guys are almost there. On the phone, it literally shows like 35K. So I appreciate you guys. But it's not showing that it counted just yet. I'll like it too while we wait.
In the club illegally.
What a foot version. Rams, you have PDPT for today? No? He's up $10. He's green though. I'm smashing that like.
Smash that like button.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you're right.
But if we lose this 450, I actually like shorts.
Okay. It's showing that
Yeah.
we're at 30K on the app, but it's not showing that it's completed, which makes 0 sense. So whatever.
But do you get sticks in the club illegally?
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Yeah. And if you guys are in the live, make sure you guys are also following too. We would greatly appreciate it.
Graciously and greatly.
Gracious.
Gracious?
Graciously.
But are you gracious?
I want to send myself a rose.
Are you gracious and spacious?
How can I send myself a rose?
Uke? What the
Oh, I
heck
have
is a
to
uke?
add money. What am I? Whack?
Full reclaim of that 450. This thing just wants to go, baby. Dang.
Yep. There's 475. Like I said, if we can position ourselves above 475, that'd be rooms for longs for me. Oh.
What's up, everybody on the YouTube?
Testing really nice. Yeah, we're double digits on both TikTok and on YouTube.
Very sexy. If you're on the YouTube, you can join the Discord 100% free, where you see
Everything.
Tradeovate screen share. You see everything 100% transparency, and it's free to join. And there's the least delay. And if you're gonna buy accounts, you just code PHUB. And if you want,
Rams, can you unmute and tell people what are the best accounts to purchase right now?
Well, the best accounts to purchase.
You're not even on stage. You're not even on the stage. Production.
The best accounts to get right now are anything that uses code PHUB. Code PHUB will get you the best discounts, the best accounts, and the best payouts. Thank you.
I think Apex is still 85% off. Is that correct? Yeah. So Apex is still 85% off. Alpha is 10% off right now, it seems like. Lucid is still 50% off. I said I was going to enter. Why didn't I? What am I doing? I'm still smacked. I'm putting my stop. Whoa.
Stop teasing me. I mean, if we can get like a 470 retest,
I didn't really like
I would like that.
my entry there.
That's not the code anymore, Adri.
It kind of is.
Really?
Yeah, if they haven't used alpha, then that code is actually better for us.
Oh,
Fun fact.
I mean that's not the actual code though.
No, just use code PHUB across. But if
Really?
you are new to alpha, then try to use that code. I'm not a fan of this position, actually. Now that I entered super late, I know I'm green, but I might just hit the exit at that 500, guys. Don't like that that's equal highs to our open close on a 5-minute. If we can
But-
push higher, then
Are you teasing me?
that would be nice. I'm going to move my stop up. I know it sounds stupid, but I just got myself out of that trade. I don't want to be inside of that one, guys.
Bet I'm accepting your request. What fuck the function? Baby girl. Baby girl.
Oh, we need like 4 more comments. Can you guys just spam comments? Put
On
W's in
TikTok.
chat on TikTok, guys. W's in the chat for TikTok. W's in the chat. W's in the chat.
W's in the chat.
W's in the shot.
www.wsinthechat.com. Very good, very
Oh, look,
nice.
I pinned W's in the shot.
When the giveaway? Shit, I don't know. Soon at the end of stream. So like, shit, twin.
Yo, you know what's crazy?
I don't
That
mind these
people go to
longs.
school to be a RN, but I was born one.
I don't know what that is. I don't get it. Oh,
VDV, registered nurse. I'm glad I got out of that trade, guys. Good management.
dang, son. Where'd you find this? That full
I could
dumpy rejection.
Kiss
off-
ace right now. Now I got a payout 2 days ago, and now I'm up again. Let's go, Nas Life. You guys have been absolutely printing. Make sure to keep flooding the testimonials channel. Guys, let me see the testimonials. Not a single one today? Not a single one.
Yeah, people love sharing their
On the
testimonials.
challenge?
On the daily live, they love sharing it, like in the daily live chat, but they don't put it in the testies.
Oh my. Whoa, that's a suck up. That's aggressive.
God,
That was aggressive. Who saw that? That was wild. From 440 all the way up. Basically a 50-point candle right there.
what the
Being
suck?
pushed in. If that's above 500, I will be entering. We'll see. Can we get the close?
What the suck is that?
Oh, I double entered. I make errors. I made errors.
What the suck is that?
I don't know, but I made errors. I made
What the suck
errors.
is that? Where the fuck the function?
I made errors, guys, and I might reap. I hit a double click.
I understand.
I'm in at right at 500, by the way, guys. It needs to hold 500 for the play to be valid. Didn't mean to double click, but I did double click.
So are you in double?
I am in double, and I was red there actually at the below 80. I'm red right now.
Where's your SL, Mr. Ace of Trades?
It's in at 50. I could feel this one, guys. We'll see. Let's see if human error was very wrong here.
Human error?
Human error. Error. If that wick goes to get filled, then I am taking a big fat loss for today, and I'm just gonna have to accept it.
It's gonna have to accept it sometimes, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna move it underneath that wick, unfortunately. On an intraday drawdown too. Oof, that hurts. Guys, that wick is looking like it's gonna get filled. That's on a 50 test. I am gonna add in there. So cost average now is 89. If it goes for another test of that 50, then I'll get in my full position. But my SL is 37.75. Let me put the R to R on screen. So cost average right now is 89. Trying to manage this out best as possible after all of those errors. I'm going to just say 90 here. 90 SL is literally underneath those wicks for 50 points of a stop. Getting sucked right now. And I want to make sure to put my trim at the top there above 500 for half of that position, basically at like 515, just trying to manage out. So 25 points basically. Going into the green, which you guys will see me be super aggressive with my stop because I don't want that trailing to really hit if that were to come in. So
I understand.
there it goes. There's green. If it touches 500, you guys are going to see me just drop my SL right underneath it. Coming. Go, go, go. Dropped. And I got out. I just have to manage that one. Sorry, guys. That was a full error on my behalf.
That's understandable.
Did not mean to smack freaking double position off the rip.
That's understandable.
I got bailed out there, guys. That could have been a massive fat error. I do apologize for that. That was 1,000% human
Holy
error.
save. For real, for real.
The trade is still valid if it holds 500. I didn't mean a double smack. I didn't even mean it be in with 10. Safe. I like that, Eric.
That's funny.
Not a single sweat, master out of motion control. I mean, at the end of the day, what are you going to do, right? You're going to cry. You're just going to smack the exit. If the play's still valid, the play's still valid. As long as you guys can manage it properly, right? Like, you guys didn't see me try to triple average down to try to bring my cost average, and next thing you know, the whole account's gone. It was just a big error, and I thought the trade is still valid. It's not overly over leveraged. Like, it's something that we can handle. Yes, it's still 50 points of an SL. But it was definitely something I was willing to handle and try to manage out. Just curious, how did that affect your drawdown? It actually didn't because it popped back into the green. So I'm still in with 4,283 of max drawdown. So awesomeness, of course. Damn, I did that. Account gone. Fuck my life. LOL. Going back to bed. What'd you do, Nick Cece? Did you just average down like crazy trying to get your cost average? Yeah, it happens.
I understand. It is what it is.
Yeah.
But look at these double stucks, though.
Nazlife just said, I had anxiety for you on TikTok. No, for real. Oh, so it just took you out? And then you made it back. Nice. Yeah, the trade is sitting high here. It's above my level of 75. So as long as we could hold that 75 to above that POC, the trade was fine for me.
I understand.
Someone just said, same for me. Just enjoy the stream and plan the rest of your day. Yeah, there's nothing you guys can do. Just remember that, right? Like, errors happen. Something I could have done to try to protect myself is use an ATM order, especially since right now I'm on one account, but that is going to increase on Friday to 3 accounts. So I knew that I had, you guys remember, we started the challenge on the evals last Monday. Those were fully passed literally by the Tuesday. So we completed it in the minimum days for TPT. And then on that Monday is when that massive news candle hit where they paused strikes. So I try to leverage my pros on that, and that's why we had to push the challenge. Again, full transparency. I ended up popping those fundeds, which were meant to be for the challenge. And now we're here on the Wednesday for this 150K. And knowing that I had 3 150Ks, which would have been earlier, I got 2 more 50Ks, and those are going to be ready on Friday. So after today's session, I will be able to tackle on those 2 accounts as well, with those ones having different targets. So it's kind of cool to see, because now you guys are going to be able to see how I manage both 50Ks and also the 150K.
But are you typing while shitting?
I've never done anything less.
Oh.
Oh, we didn't even say the story.
What story?
Of Rams.
Oh, yeah.
So guys, right before stream, okay? Yeah, you can say it. But you know what? Wait, you don't have a cam, do you? Because I have it now. Come here. Come say it on this one. Because that way you're on TikTok.
All right, so here's what happened. Every morning, naturally, we all like to, go to the washroom, empty our bowels.
It's right after.
It's right after the gym. Now, I came in, went to go, sit down, do my thing, and I finish. No issues. There's paper, all that. It's all good stuff. And then I go over to flush, right? I go over to flush. I turn around, lean over to flush. I flush, and as it starts to spin, I feel something drop out of my sweater pocket, and I see it's like a little black thing, and I'm like, no, that's my car keys. And I just watched it into the drain.
He flushed his keys down the toilet.
That's the start of my morning. Yeah.
It was actually hilarious. We made a video too as soon as he came in.
It was a heartbreaker. There's nothing else to it. Why do you have Discord here in your camera? Why do you have Discord and TikTok
Did you
here?
take them back out, buddy? They are in the pipes.
I tried. I went arm in. Like I didn't matter. It didn't matter what was in there. I went arm in. It was gone. It was gone.
Absolutely gone.
I had to try. What do you mean? Ew, I tried. You're just gonna. Whatever.
You're just gonna lose
Whatever.
your car keys like that?
I'll just get a replacement after this payout. All right, bye.
Testing that 500 again. I want to see if we can still confirm above it. This one is going to be more of a scalpy style, so not alerting this one to the premium. It's going to be a lot quicker because of those open wicks all the way up to 26. So if we can confirm above that 500 with a close, even if it's on like a 30-second, because we still haven't gotten a 30-second close above it. So if we can get a 30-second close above that 500, you will see me react super quickly with my stop and all to that trade. But that's if we get the close. If not, then I'm not touching anything. Not only that, so Rams lost his key. I lost my wallet because I wasn't done that story either. So when me and Joe went to the theaters, like I was saying, how she's pregnant, all of that, we got into a trade, so I stopped the story. But it's so unfortunate. We were at the VIP theater, so it's the one that like fully reclines and all. If this goes above 500, guys, I'm stalking it. We got 4 seconds, 3 seconds, still under, 3, 2, 1, still under, and I'm chilling. Okay, so we go to the theater, and I notice I don't have my wallet, but we're at the last showing of the day, so I already know that theater's probably going to be closed. Yada yada yada, yada yada yada. That is above 500 right now. 16 seconds left on this candle. Let me see if I can even get the scalp on a 15. We do have that close on a 15. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and it's under. Cool. But yeah, my wallet is now gone, and that's unfortunate too. So I went back the other day, see if they found it or if anyone returned it. Definitely no one did, because I realized that I was squatting against the wall waiting for Jill to finish the washroom at the end of the movie. Again, she's pregnant. That's what she's going to do. And I guess it had fallen off and no one had returned it. But I did get notifications yesterday saying that someone did purchase stuff. So I do have to freeze all my cards, and all my monies are
Very, very nice.
Are going to have to be disputed right now, which absolutely sucks. Let's hope I have enough gas to last me for a few days, because that sucks. Those MFers, no, for real.
Little range we're in right now.
It's really unfortunate. Well, at least you can drive home. Yeah, that's if I have gas, Rams.
What the fuck is that? Great morning to the challenge, for real, for real.
Yeah, it's super great morning to the challenge. We've been chilling. There hasn't been a trade. We're chilling here at the top range. Underneath 75 again, I actually will look for a potential short. And again, that goes quick down to the 50. So it's testing right here below that 75. We got 9 seconds left. We are still above those wicks. So this means half position of a scalp, which would be 10. Full scalp, guys, is like 2 minis. Here we go again. It did a close above, so I can't short it yet. I'm on a 30-second right now. 15-second did close above as well. So can't enter just yet. Staying patient. It closed right at it on the 15. Testing under. And it's above again. Yeah. So no trades. I'm very strategic with my scalps, as you guys can see. And still no confirmation for anything as of right now.
This tiny little range that we're sucking up and down in is insane.
Daily payout 1 on Tradeify. W Yeti. Let's go. Oh, that's the daily payout account. Sorry. I misread.
What happened? What the fuck is that?
Did you choose the... Oh, you chose the daily payout. I was going to ask you flex or daily. It literally says daily. Goof ass ace. All right, so our next goals on TikTok, so just staying transparent with you guys, is on a second day of the week, we must hit 29.9K likes again. And we need to set up a follower or gift goal and go live. I don't know how to do that, but we'll set that up as well. The gift goal is literally going to be like 1 rose because I don't care. That literally touched our range pretty nicely with a bounce, but I don't want it. I want the continuation move, which you guys know. That's what I like. Ranges, that's more for Kells. I'll keep that for Kells. Kells is a beast at the ranges. I sent you a rose. Oh, you're a beauty. We have to set it up first, though. I love you, Yeti. You're an absolute goat.
How does that work?
Which?
The rose.
You sent 34. Jeez Louise. Chill, Yeti. We have to set up the goal. Don't do it yet. Wait for tomorrow. It has to be before we go live, apparently, or something. I don't know how to use TikTok. We're just going to be honest. It was 29 cents. 29 cents for you, but after TikTok fees, we've made 13 cents. W Yeti. I can show you as well what it looks like. It literally says 13 cents. Damn, bank for real. 28 seconds on a 2-minute. On a 30-second, we did close underneath. So that would be a valid take for a scalp. Let's see. There's a test up. As long as it doesn't close above 75, which it is right now. 10 seconds left. 6, 5, 4, 3. I might actually get it. 2, 1, and closed above. Nothing, guys. I'm sorry. I'm even trying to show you guys the scalps, and it won't let me print that in.
But are you teasing me?
It is teasing me, that's for sure. The TOF dashboard is crazy good. I have to agree with you. Their dashboard, since they've upgraded it, is really good.
Oh, did they upgrade it?
Yeah. It's live now. That's all it is. But even the stats and all of that, I like the fact that they include all those stats. They lay it out really, really nice. Perfect outline. If you guys are going to purchase any accounts with TOF, it is one of our favorite props. We've been saying that from the beginning.
Very nice.
Make sure to use code PHUB. What's the discount right now, Rams? 50% off the Elite Daily. So they're brand new daily payout accounts.
40.
And 40% off everything else. So if you guys like the straight to funded, then that's definitely what's guaning over there.
Guaning?
Look, from today's start of the challenge, best dash I've seen, better than Lucid. I have to agree with you. Wow, Lomanko, look at you stopping at 13. Oh, wait. You're above the goal. Is he not? Oh, no. He's on 100K elite. Is that a past account? I can't tell if that's past or not. 45% consistency. Yeah, so it's the start of the eval. Elite Daily open today. Eval. Nice. What's 45% of the 100K? 2,700. Okay. You too? Are you on them as well? That's fine. If you can get to 700, that counts as one of the days. Or 600. Oh, nice. No rush then. Yeah. So Rams is up 2,000. He needs what? Another $4,000 to pass his Elite Daily.
Such a goat. I got songs stuck in Ace and JJ's head. Oh, the teasing me?
Stop teasing me.
Wait, should we do the giveaway?
Yeah, let's do the giveaway.
We'll
We're
do
we're
the-
chilling right now.
do you
It
wanna do
is
the
chilling
premium
close to
in-
500, which is close to my level, but
do
it
you-
hasn't confirmed yet. What were you gonna say?
Do you want to do the premium giveaway like in Daily Breakdown? And then we'll do the
Yeah,
regular
during daily
giveaway here?
breakdown.
But-
Also, if you guys want to join premium, where we are going to break down every single trade that we take, it is wow. That did not give me a close on a 30-second. It did shit. Go retest. So it's not bad here, guys. At this 505, I am gonna enter. Stop literally right underneath that body at 91.50. But watch out for those equal highs at 25. So I am going to put in a limit right now at, it has to be at 19 for a scalp. If it wicks, it wicks. I could get stopped here. I have my stop now at 88.75. Most I'd move that is below the wick at like 83, which it looks like it's coming anyway.
But are you teasing me? Very nice. Wait, how are we gonna do the
380.
regular giveaway?
One sec,
Oh, sorry, my
baby,
bad, my
one sec,
bad.
baby, one sec, baby, one sec. Yeah, and I just got tapped. That took good gains off of that. I still like it, but it needs to confirm above, otherwise that ain't it. There it is at 90 again. I'm gonna smack it one last time. And limit to the top of that. Above 500, guys, I do want to get a fat add-in for these scalps. If it rejects here, then that's just another smack of the 500 short, and I'll eat the loss. Quickie scalps, quickie scalps, quickie scalps. Sitting above 500. And as it goes to test above 505, you guys are going to see me drag that stop like I keep saying. Push it, push it, push it,
Push it to the limit.
push it, push it. Going to move that limit all the way to 26, which is the equal highs. Even 15 wouldn't be bad. So depending where you guys want to trim, obviously. I'm even going to move that even more, 35. But we need to hold 500. Otherwise, this thing's going to eat fat losses for me.
Do you mean
Oh, that was for me?
just told my kids since they are upstairs legally, I need to feed you guys. What do you guys want?
Who said that? Oh, Yeti.
Yeti.
I love that. Testing 500, you guys could exit at that 500. Or as soon as it tests 505, dropping that stop right below that 500, which it's testing still right now, and then getting the re-entry once it closes above 500. Whoa, that's not where I want to stop.
My old dog is staring me down like, damn, she plotting. Is that on type shit?
Is that shitting while he's typing? There's 505 getting tested. Like I said, I would like this to push significantly greater. So let's see if it gets pulled back down from that 505. I think we can finally get that pop now. Let's see on a 2-minute closed inside, 3-minute not closed inside yet, and still below 500. So I'm in at 95.50. And I'm trying to keep my stop dynamic right now. So going from like 60 to 75 or 74, risking right around 20 points. The scalp turned into a full ass trade now. And I'll show you guys. So if I were to have those scalps, it would have been like once it tests 505, right? Moving it all the way to 500 or taking at that 505 for a quick 10 points. But I want to see the full move. I just don't like these wicks that are occurring right here. And my stop is around 60, but I'm targeting these equal highs at 30 right now. So my limit is at 35. I think we can get the full push if we can get the close above 500, but we'll see. because obviously she is not supporting being above 500 right now.
I mean, just look at the 2-minute and the 3-minute. That shit is chop.
Yeah,
Wiki
it's
wiki.
chop, but it's holding above the chop right now, which
Yeah.
I like. But any closes underneath that chop, then that's just straight ugly. Gonna have to exit. Testing that 500 again, guys. I'd love to see it hold 510. Let's see you dance. Let me see you
Ha!
twirl.
Let me see you dance.
Let me see you dance. Let me see you twirl. I would love to see top of the range at 550. Holy smoky. I'll move my
Is that a
stop
holy
all the way to
guacamole?
48.
Let me.
You know what? This trade is enough of a trade now for me to actually call it out for premium. 24,495 needs to hold 510 for full confirmation. PT will be moved dynamically. What currently set to 548. SL is dynamic as well. Initially starting at 4.7. Okay, so it's testing the top of those ranges. We could move the stop now to that 500. Nice W right now. That first initial loss did eat a lot. And we have equal highs here at 515. Again, get dynamic with it as she begins to pop. I like the hold of 505, which wants me to add in if we can get that close above 510. John, you in anything right now?
No, I'm setting up duck race.
Oh,
I
beauty.
grabbed all the names.
Thank you. Doing that, good sir. I'm going to get aggressive if we get the break of 510, guys. You guys are going to see me literally get inside of a fat position. Stop to like 90. Oh, bitch can easily just wick. Go.
All right. I will chill till the end of your trade, and then I'll run duck race.
Still green on the day, but if this touches SL, then obviously it'll be red on the day. Was up. What was the peak grams? 12? 1200? Do you know? 1,000-ish, yeah. I think it was 12. Either, I'm going to be honest. It is below 500 right now, which is giving us another wick above that range. If it gets that suck up with that retest of the 500, then that would be nice. But if not, then this trade is probably done, unfortunately. That literally touched my entry. Just trying to stay super transparent for you guys and actually see through this trade. Needs to be above 510. So it's testing 510, which, again, we could exit at that 510, re-enter once it confirms above 510. But I want to stay inside of this trade and react to that 510. There's 515. So currently up 20 points. Still down from that red, which I'm not trying to match the green. That's not the point, right? Because 700 is still 700 at the end of the day. But I would like to see the full move, or at least an equal high to that 26, where you guys will definitely see me get dynamic with my and my SL. So even taking initial
nice.
at that could be the move. You know what? I'll do that just because it's a challenge, guys. Moving my or breaking it down into two trims right now. So one is set to 24.25. It literally is testing 16. So literally 6 points shy of where my PT is. So you guys could start to move your stops just based off of that information. I'm going to set two different stops as well. That way I can drag it up once it confirms above. That way I'm not over leveraged if it does come back down. But if it hits that first PTs, I would say like 1750 is where I'm going to really get dynamic with it. There's 15 getting tested again. There's 17. Moving my stop up for that first add-in. There's 20 getting tested. Moving my stop. Might get out on
Weekly
this
value area low
down.
at 21.
And got tapped out. So I'm only in half position now. And let's see if I can get the full rest of that move.
Ooh.
Well, that was 24 points.
Nice. Very, very nice.
It needs a lot more. 17.5.
I mean, we didn't even really touch that 21. A couple points away, so it's valid, but wanted to see us sweep through it.
Yeah. SL at break even. Definitely option, guys. Especially as it's testing this 500 again.
Yeah, for real. After that V-shaped recovery, PA just became dog.
For real. Moving my stop to crazy because I would legit ape back in with this hold of 510. So I'm gonna move it to 5. 4 stop.
84? I like 84. I don't mind it.
84 to 75.
Is that your bestie?
Ice
Gretzky.
goodness.
Imagine Trump comes out right now. The war is back on.
An absolute blizz.
For real.
Yeah, I have to keep it at 40. Even 40. 40. In the red right now on the remaining position, no matter what. It was a decent trade.
Yeah.
Close above 500. I'll probably add back in that position I removed and then get that trim out again around that 520 to 530. And then we do have PT being set at 48.50. So we'll see how price reacts down here, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Holding 500 again. Testing back under. Just chilling. Literally sideways. This is not the moves I like,
For real.
but it is the moves that are given. Would you agree, John?
I would agree.
Should we do the giveaway? Well,
Yeah, let's do the giveaway. while we
yeah,
wait.
we can do the giveaway. I'm going to exit my screen,
Oh, yeah.
and John's going to be sharing screen. I'll let you guys know if I move anything.
Baby girl giving away an account because we're goats.
Anyone on TikTok or anyone on YouTube, we are giving away an account. You must be inside of the Discord for all giveaways. It is a 100% free Discord community, so feel free to enter. It is discord.gg/prophub, PROPHUB, baby.
Everybody's in here. Shuffle characters. All right, are we ready? Are we ready, ladies and gentlemen? I don't like long since we are flirting with the daily high. Well, you know what I like? This giveaway. Bow. Start. And we're off. Let's see who's gonna win. I hope somebody that wins is someone who's never won before. Ooh, Niku G. Has he won? He looks like he wants it.
Testing 500.
Looks like he wants it. And congratulations,
Congratulations.
NyQuil.
NyQuil.
Let's see who
won?
got last. Who sucks? Who's last?
Bro, you weren't even sharing
Kamara.
screen. You weren't even sharing screen. Fraud. Can't see it. Redo. It's rigged.
Look, look, I'm not lying. Look, he won. Look, I'll show you. Look at that.
Is that the
Look at that.
premium giveaway or is that the
No, that's the regular giveaway.
okay? Testing 85 here.
Damn. Well, my bad. I didn't share screen, but here's the proof. See that? Look, it says race again.
How many
Remove
giveaways are
winner.
we doing today? One for premium, one for regular.
Yeah, that was regular.
So is that the only one we're doing for them?
Here, you guys want? Yeah. But here, let's do one for fun, so you guys can watch a duck race real quick. Whoever wins this is a goat. Who's the goat? Who is the goat
above
of the
500.
Discord?
And close.
Who's it gonna be? Who's the goat? Oh, is Toasty about to be the goat? Oh, Ridgeback out of nowhere. He's the official goat.
You know what? Since today's the start of the challenge, you know what I want?
What do you want?
Let's do another giveaway for everyone that's in here, and it's for a month of premium.
So
Because we
Ridgeback
haven't done
just won a
premium in
month of premium.
a long time. No, it starts now because I
it
just
starts
said
now? All right, so Ridgeback is the goat. Eddie 222, you're the least goat. I'm sorry. It is what it is. Do a reverse giveaway where the last one wins, the person in last
it.
place.
We've done that before.
Do you guys want to run that? If you guys
Yeah.
want to do a reverse
Do a
giveaway,
poll.
okay, we'll do a poll. Quick poll.
First or
First, last.
whoever's 30.
Oh, okay. First place wins. Last place wins.
How do I join that giveaway?
Place.
The giveaway, Nazlife, joined the Discord.
How
It's
do you guys wanna
discord.gg/prophub.
How do you guys want to do it? What place do you want to win?
Oh, shoot.
We'll give it another minute. Oof.
Still
A lot
haven't
of
been
people are
tapped, guys.
first.
That just tested 22 or 82, sorry. Coming down to 80. Let's see if this thing slices under now and if this trade is finished.
Ooh, whatever place I'm in should win. This is a pretty good one. Ooh, looks like people want
There's
38th place.
75.
I like that. 38. It feels more random.
See if I can add in here, guys. These equal range.
Mm-hmm. All right. So we're doing another giveaway. So Niku won the first one for the account. Now we're doing an extra month of premium. Okay. 9 votes. We're about to run it. Whoever gets in 38th place gets another month of premium for free. And go. Now, like, this doesn't really, like, you can't tell who won.
That's the exciting part.
Here, let's see if one of the people that voted for first place wins is going to be annoyed because they're going to be first place. All right, Jiffy. Jiffy, did you vote for first place or 38?
Is it just you and me, my love?
Very interesting. All right. 38th place wins. Let's see. So far, all these people are eliminated. Every time you see your name, you're eliminated. Damn, Camper, Kanye's is eliminated. Adri eliminated. Los.
Coming
Lady
to the
Wolf,
bottom of the
Patel,
range, guys. SL is about to come in.
Hoopy,
See.
Ridgeback, AK eliminated. Lee is eliminated.
Or are you doing
Edwin.
elimination style?
Because every time, whoever's not 38 didn't win. So every time I keep scrolling. Trin eliminated. Eddie, sorry. M Drop, you didn't win. Trader Joe's, damn, that's tough. Nav, tough. AKR.
Test.
Toasty eliminated. Shazia. Terriet Move. Flacqua. Not
Flacqua.
available. Oh, you got close. Windy City Boy. Damn, that's tough. Yet. Oh. I accidentally. Hold on. Where was I? Like 30. Okay. Yeti. So 38 is the winner. Who got close? Damn, Alvin. And the winner for the premium in 38th place is
38th place.
Fix. Congratulations. You won a month of premium. Damn, K Drizzle was close.
Sick.
Niku would have won again if it was last place. It's crazy. Okay, so was it Sphinx? Open up a ticket. Open up a ticket and say that you won premium for a month. There we go.
Can
What
you
was
write
that, a
it in
minute from?
chat too, just so that we have the record?
Oh,
'Cause
yeah.
sometimes we get lost. Testing 85 needs to be
Won
above
the free
85
month of
for the trade to continue. As long as it doesn't break 74, like we always
Yes.
say, then trade should be fine.
Yeah, you can share your screen again.
Like, I'm trying to manage this out. Super
All good.
volatile. So
All good. Who won the giveaway? Niku G won the account, and Sphinx won the 1 month premium. And then we're gonna do the other account for premium only during the daily breakdown.
I miss daily breakdowns. I'm not even gonna lie.
For real.
So I'm still inside of the trade, guys. I'm trying to get an average down, or I did get an average down at the bottom of this range. But as it's floating right by the bottom there, I do want to make sure that I can be trimming out even before that 500 test in case it literally comes, test, and then flushes out with that little downward print that she just did. So we'll see what happens right around here. There's 90 being tested.
Nice little bounce.
Yep.
Baby girl.
Baby girl. Let me see you do your dance. Let me see you twirl.
Yo, I do have a reel scheduled for 12:15 today.
Oh, what is it, John?
Watch out for that one. That one's a banger. I showed Rams. So make sure to go
Hey, yo.
to our Instagram, follow that bitch.
Hey, yo. That seemed aggressive.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, let me share screen. Oh, it won't let me anymore.
No, you got to do it from the middle. Remember?
No, oh, trust me, I don't forget.
Oh.
Okay, now try. It was lagging. So still in this trade. I told you guys I got the average down here at the bottom. Still in SL. I've been floating from like 58 to 64, just depending on where we are based on price. This thing could easily invalidate, like I've been saying. Wouldn't go lower than a 55, even though 50 could be the bounce, because that is our weekly POC. But why risk the extra 5 points, especially with me being on the intraday drawdown? As you guys can see, my dollar P&L is only at 300 basically realized, and I'm still in the trade for 20. So I will get out of that half position at 498, basically 495 to 498. Not going to be greedy on that last on that add-in, because I'd rather be positioned above 500 for the add-in as opposed to just hoping and wishing that I'm in full position here at the bottom. Like, that doesn't make sense. Trade to the chart, and that is it. So I'm going to put that SL literally, or that PT, from like 498 to that 505, depending on where price is, like I say. And then just continuously drag that stop. Let me make sure I have the stops actually in properly. So right now it looks like only.
How many hoes in the club? Is it really just me, my love?
We're underneath that 74. Not a fan of that at all. Reclaims of 74. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Here we go, testing under. And if we head and stay underneath the 74, you guys will see me reverse positions, with that being confirmed underneath my level on a 2-minute and on a 3-minute as well. 5 minutes, still not close. 3 minute and 25 seconds left. If we can get that full reclaim of 74, 75, then I still have decent confidence in the long. Otherwise, this thing will probably come back down to test that POC at 50 and potentially slice even lower. So here it is at the bottom of all of these wicks. Here's a 5-minute look. So stop, Again, wouldn't go lower than that 50, guys. That's your POC. So I'd be careful there. 6 most. Is my stops actually correct? That's the thing when it stacks, the stops.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
like, yo, wait, am I in? Do I have a stop of 10 or do I have a stop of 20?
Yeah.
Here it is at that 50, guys, and looking like I'm going to get stopped. Got stopped. And I want to see if it holds underneath this POC for big flush, or if we can get the reclaim of 50 to that 75 and potentially higher. So currently red on the day now, not looking to try to make it back by any means, but if we do get that opportunity for the trade now, especially since that was a nice print, I will be taking the move. So underneath that 50, I do like the shorts, even here, but I wanted that to confirm a little bit more. There's a retest of 45. I could get my print of the short. There's a close to 50 now. Yeah, that's 50. All right, let's see what magic happens from here. Does it reconfirm above 50 or do we stay under now? That was a good wick though. Gonna put an order in at 43 for short. I don't want it to tap me and then freaking push though. So it just got filled on first position. Stop has to be above that range. So keeping it at 75 because that range is 74. And then that's also on top of that wick on a 2-minute of that wick. Currently in at 43 for half of my position. And if we can slide underneath our daily open, which is 20, I do want to add in pretty aggressively again.
I understand.
Currently up 15 points here. Need a lot more. 43. 43.50.
Literally, as soon as we closed outside that range, you just dumped.
Yeah. It was a nice test of those 500s as well. Just had to get me. So watch out for that 20 bounce, guys. It was literally just shy of. Hit 23. And that's our day open. So it's 24 points there. I want to see that thing continue. Testing right now underneath. I do want to add. Ooh. Let's see if we can get the close underneath now. Testing 30.
Banger.
Literally a bounce straight off that daily open. Daily open is
Literally a banger.
519, 420. John likes the 420 psych level.
It's actually a good psych level.
It is a good psych level. People just be blazing it in the market.
For real.
Want to see it print underneath. It's testing. You guys are going to see me smack my entry. There it is. It's under. And I would watch out for a 400 now, guys. And limit. Testing it still. Hasn't closed, but I already got in. So my cost average is basically 25, 24.75. And I'm in aggressive right now. If this thing pops, I'm going to feel it.
So
John is part of the F1 team.
you know it.
And you know it. 60.
You ain't know it.
I want to be at. That's way too aggressive. Still green here, guys. I do have a trim set at 400. Whoa, where is it? Basically 405 to 400. Coming down right now. And that thing is printing in. What was my initial entry here? Do you remember, Rams? I just got filled on that first trim. 43. There it is underneath 400. Nice.
These are some good candidates.
Gotta put my stop in. So that's at 411 right now. This thing is trying to slide. I do like it underneath this 400. If this goes for a nice retest of that 400 and fails, I'm going to re-add in those cons that just got taken out. I'm going to put one of the stops literally at that 400 as well. So 401.5 to 405. We'll say 402.50. Split the difference. And then, is that a stop? Stop. I almost added in. Oops. With that last stop in profit, it's basically like a BE type of shit. Might get tapped here again. I want to move it from 405 to 402.50 just in case she reclaims above 400. I would watch out. There it is. So that just tapped me out, and I have one last position of 10 micros here. Initial, so that went 54 points, guys, for my initial entry. I want to see this thing go all the way down to a 64. I do like that test of the 400 and rejection, so I might add back in here. Go. Stop. As it goes to test 85, 86. 85. I have another limit in after adding in 87, essentially. It tested 88. And then the next one is at that 618 at that 64. I would watch out for. So I'll put that at like 65. Did that just fucking one tick me? Did. And got filled, guys. I'm going to remove that stop. What are you guys doing?
Bro, look, they released like all the B-roll. Trip.
Is it beat?
Huh?
Is it beat? It's very ugly.
No, bro, it's actually fire.
Is it?
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Literally made for us.
That's that's
Like,
actually sick.
It's actually tough.
That's actually sick. From here, guys, as it tests that 80, I would consider moving your stop to break even. This thing is getting wiki now here at your golden zone. So a hold underneath 87 would give you confirmation for the continuation at least to your 618 to that 0.5. And then any reclaims above 403, trade is basically trying to invalidate itself now. And that's strictly off of my fibs that Premium has.
Yo, chat. If you guys can see these videos right now,
They're tuffings. Say
they're
it, say
so
it, say it.
tough.
Say it,
They're
say
tuffings.
They're
tough.
tuffings. I wanted to hold underneath that 87. Come on, baby. Hold that validation.
Very, very nice.
Very nice, very kind.
Bro, so many of them still have to
Testing that
load.
80 really strong, guys. And if I were to go over to a 5-minute, you guys will actually see on that reversal candle right here, that would actually be very close to the CE of your daily reversal from that lows. Here we go, guys. Bang, filled. And there we go. There's the slide.
Beauty.
There's the fucking slide that we were waiting for. There it is, guys.
an absolute
Underneath
legend.
45, putting my stop now at 60 for this last con. And I am on intraday, so I do have to watch out because that would be a 30-point suck up. So I'm going to keep trailing away, breaking it
Oh,
down,
yeah.
trimming 5 here.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful fucking catch, guys. This is how we end the day. Let's fucking go. Look at that thing, baby. Look at that thing go. Moving my stop all the way to 320 now. And if I get tapped, I get tapped.
You get hit, you get hit.
If I get hit, I get hit. There's 305, and I'm going to take myself out.
Ha ha ha! Welcome to Prophub, baby.
There we fucking go, guys. There we go, guys. From the top of that range, that is 140 points from my first initial entry there of this short.
Come on, baby.
Come on, 150 now. Let's go. That's how we ended off, guys. Beautiful first day to the challenge. Literally went up 1K, John, to down 1K to
Yeah, I
up
saw that.
2.5.
That was tough.
What a short catch, guys. Beautiful. Who was able to catch that? Put it in testimonials right now because I am done. I'm literally locking myself. End of day. You guys can see it. Lock, done.
So hot.
And guess how much I trimmed off of that intraday drawdown? So intraday drawdown is 4,500.
Uh-huh.
I lost out on $34
Damn.
from the peak.
Damn. It's kind of wild. Kind of wild.
That is the fucking
fire way to end day
first
one.
day, guys. Today's the first day of the challenge and already up 2.5. Whoa! Someone on TikTok just said, "Good work, fellow black man." That is wild. I appreciate you. User 847. That's crazy. Jill just said, "Morning. Daisy is going crazy in my ribs right now. I think she misses you." I love you, Jill. Daisy was literally Jill likes to be big spoon, especially since she's pregnant. Like it's easier for her. But I mean, she always loves being big spoon. But I could feel her stomach on my back, and literally all you feel is Daisy bouncing off of my back, like doing backflips and shit.
That's lit.
That was such a nice trade, and I'm so excited to break that down for premium when the time comes. So we do have our premium breakdown incoming soon. But man, what a way to end off today's session. I appreciate you guys. John, is there any last words you got for the people?
Make sure to use code PHUB to get the best discount codes possible. That was the end of day one of the funded to pay out challenge. Tomorrow is day 2, and the next day will be day 3, and so on and so on. Haha, I hope you get it.
Hope you get it.
I hope you understand. Yeah, I don't have much to say. Premium daily breakdown. We're doing another giveaway in the daily breakdown, so you should be there number 1 to get the daily breakdown because like type shit, and number 2 for
What
the
time
giveaway.
is breakdown? It is currently 11:20. We're gonna say 11. Today we have to be fairly quick because I have to go get Rams.
We're gonna be later today, for sure. Because you're getting thing too.
Should I do it after I do all of that? Like, should we go get your car first, or do break?
No, I think we do breakdown first. Get it out of the way.
Okay, we're gonna do the breakdown and giveaway first. So it's currently 11:20. Give me like literally 10 minutes. So we're gonna say 11:35. I'm gonna do the breakdown.
Bet. You see, look, AK gets it. After day 3, it will be day 4. Ha! If only. Yeah, W stream.
W stream. Good job today, guys.
Legends,
We love you guys and peace. Good day on day 1. Let me see all your testies.
Engage with the socials.
Engage with the socials. Let me see your testies.
Engage with the socials. Engage with the socials.
Later.
Go comment and like. Engage.
Someone just said, "I'm using my profits from this trade to fund my Toronto Indian immigrant removal program. Thanks." That's crazy. I gotta go later. Bye, TikTok.
Bye.